installation is done, it will show 0.0 vulnerabilities. Now we can open our Cypress command. Cypress. So for that we can write npx cypress open. You enter, it will open our Cypress. You can select E2E testing. Click on continue. Select your browser in which you want to run the E2E test. Select Chrome. You can select create a new space folder. Click on create a space. Click on OK, run the file. Now it will run your first Cypress automation file. Now suppose if we want to change here visit website, then we can go to our Visual Studio. Here see under Cypress automation, we can see here one file is created, Cypress. We can click on this, go to E2 folder and select this file which we created. Now we can change here to this link to google.com. google.com. Once you do Control S, it will automatically change the website. See here. See, it will open google.com. Thank you guys.